In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch your first Google Ads campaign. Whether you're looking to attract more customers or boost your sales, setting up a Google Ads campaign is a powerful way to achieve your goals. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide, which is ideal for beginners and designed to get you started in just 5 minutes. First, open your web browser and head to the Google Ads homepage. This is your starting point to access all the tools and resources needed to create your campaign. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's packed with options and information, but don't worry, we'll walk through it together. When you're ready, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Use your existing Google account to log in, or create a new one if necessary. Having a Google account is essential as it links your Google services together, making management and integration seamless for your advertising needs. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home screen. This dashboard will serve as your central hub for managing campaigns, viewing analytics, and monitoring your performance over time. Now, before diving into creating a campaign, it's crucial to set up your billing information. Click on the billing setup option and fill out the necessary details such as your preferred payment method and currency. This step is vital because it ensures you're ready to go live with your campaign without any hitches. Make sure to review everything for accuracy to avoid potential disruptions. Next, navigate to the campaign section by clicking on Campaign from your dashboard. This is where all the action happens. You'll be prompted to choose your campaign objective, whether you're looking for more website traffic, lead generation, product sales, or brand awareness. Google Ads has got you covered. Select the objective that matches your business goals to customize your campaign accordingly. After choosing your objective, it's time to decide on the campaign type. Google Ads provides different campaign types like search, display, video, shopping, or app campaigns. Each type has its unique benefits, so take a moment to think about what suits your business best. For instance, a search campaign is ideal for driving targeted traffic from users actively searching for specific products or services, and that's essentially it. Launching your first Google Ads campaign is straightforward when you break it down into manageable steps. With this foundation, you're on your way to tapping into the vast potential of online advertising to grow your business. Remember to keep an eye on your metrics and optimize your campaigns as you gather data and insights. Thanks for joining me today, and happy advertising.